Hello student, welcome once again in our standard 6 mathematics. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 6 integers. Standard 6 integer textbook is here. It is showing us introduction, some interesting things they are showing to us. There were two girls, Sunita's and Sunita mothers gave some bananas. So they went for the picnic and they counted one by one. Then after Ronald goes to the market to purchase a pen. Like that way some examples are giving very nicely. Some numbers are written. Yes student, very good. So look at here some numbers third to 0. Is it possible? No, afterwards not possible. But Richika can move from 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. on the right side. Yes, my dear students. So numbers are here, which is countless. So some activities are also given in this our textbook, which is very helpful. Yes, so revision is goes to start here. Who follows me? Yes. Successor number. Successor number means next number. After 10, what will come? Yes, do this yourself. 10, 11. 8 then? Yes, my dear student, that is a 9. But what about the minus 5? After minus 5, what will be the successor they ask us? See, be careful. This is the secret that we will discuss afterwards. But 0 after what will come? 1. So negative number, you just try it. Here is the number line also shown with a strip. Good. Predecessors. Student, what is the predecessors? Yes, before number. 10 before, what is the number there? Yes, 9. Very good student. Very good student. So here, this is the tagging. Tagging means what is that? Some students are going to purchase something, mustard oil, rice, black pepper, wheat, groundnut oil, etc. Price is this, profit or loss. We have to represent with profit with plus sign and loss with minus sign. Yes, so plus 150, minus 250, plus 225, etc. Good. So same way, sometimes you may be heard about the temperature also. Yes, degree temperature, 25 degree temperature, 27 degree temperature, minus 3 degree temperature in Simla. Yes, my dear student, minus also can be there. Or same way, sometimes you can see on the railway stations or some place, they are showing us this place is above the sea level, this much meter high or this much meter down. Okay, now our main topic is started here is integer. Integers are here. Main topic will be begin from here. Page number 4 you are having. Then open it. Yes. Integers. My dear students, 6.2. Can you see this one? Main topic will be start from here. The first numbers to be discovered were natural numbers, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. If we include 0 to collection of natural number, we get a new collection of number known as a whole number. We already discussed in our previous chapter. So that means whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Very good, very good. But you have studied this number in the earlier chapter. Now we find there are negative numbers too. Not T-O-O-2. If you put the whole numbers and the negative numbers together, the new collection of numbers will look like this way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, 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 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, dot, dot, dot. And this collection of number is known as a integers. Yes, student. So now you have a clear idea what is an integer. Whatever. Okay, so we can say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are also there in negative integers. See, here some flowchart symbols are given. Natural numbers in this way, Yes, my dear student, this is the natural number symbol, this is the zero symbol, this is the whole number symbol, and this is the arrow pointed, it's a negative number, and all together big arrow, we can make it to show this one is our integers. See how it is represented, very nicely it is shown here. All the things included about flowcharts in here. Natural number are also included, zero is also included, whole number is also included, negative numbers are also included. And finally, these all things are known as the integer. Isn't it? Correct. Now, representation of integer on a number line. This is your number line. Positive numbers on the right side, negative numbers on the left side, and at middle exactly we can put the 0. Positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way you can write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. But student, here you should to keep it in your mind. Minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. Negative numbers are always. Yes. So here you should have to be careful. This minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. But 2 is smaller than 3. 3 is not smaller than 2. Okay? Good. That's a positive number. That's why. Negative number only you have to think ulta. Yes, my dear student, here some numbers are shown on number lines. Will you mark it or not yourself? Yes, figure 6.1 and 6.2 are shown here where you have to put your number lines. See, now ordering of integers. Do you know what the ordering number, students? Yes, ordering. One by one, एक के बाद एक कैसे आता है वो to remember, or you can see the staircase symbols here. Yes, sometimes positive number, negative numbers, and 0. See, the levels are given here. You can find out one good exercise is given. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Is it there? Yes, these are the minus numbers and these are the positive numbers. Yes, my dear students, where you will find out, so numbers are written, minus numbers are downside, and it is a vertical, yes, vertical number line. Very good, student. And this is the horizontal number line. You are knowing 7 is greater than 4. Yes, so 7 is coming on the right side of 4. Yes or no? Yes, very good, very nice. So, we can see this one. Following pairs of number using greater than sign and less than sign. Will you put it here? This sign are greater than or less than sign. 0 is greater than minus 8. Yes, correct answer. Pi is greater than minus 5. Very good. 0 is greater than 6. Sorry, this sign will come like this way. 0 is smaller than 6. Same way, minus 1 is greater than minus 15. I said minus number, smaller number is bigger. Yes. 11 is smaller than 15. Yes, very good, student. You are very sharp. Minus 20 is on left side and 2 on the right side. That's why 2 is the bigger one. So you had the clear idea where the positive integers are there, always bigger than negative integer. Positive integer always greater than 0 also. Yes, my dear student, this all the things are written on your screen and you can find out the solution of example number 1. So here is your example number 1, student. By looking at the number line, answer the following questions. Which integers lies between minus 8 and minus 2? Second, which is the largest integer and the smaller integer among them? You should have to show this on number line. Integer between minus 8, minus 2 are minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Not included minus 8 and minus 2. So minus 3 is the largest and minus 7 is the smallest. Here answer is over. Yes. If I am not at 0, what happens when I move? Let us consider the game being played at Salma and Ruchika. See, suppose Ruchika token is at 2. At the next turn, she gets a red die which after throwing gives a number 3. It means she will move 3 places to the right of 2. Yes, very good. So she reach on 5. Very good. If on the other hand, Salma was at 1, this is a game, playing game with a die, pasa. Salma was at 1, Salma was standing on 1 and drawn a blue die which gives her number 3. That means she will move to the left by 3 places. Yes, and she stands at -2. By looking at the number line, answer the following questions. 1. Answer number 1. Question is here. One button is kept at -3. In which direction and how many steps should we move to reach at -9? B. Which number will we reach if we move 4 steps to the right of -6? We have to first answer 3 to -9. We should have to move 6 steps to the left of -3. Students, see 3 was on 3. Here 3 पे खड़े हैं और आपको 9 तक जाना है क्या? -9 is here. How many jumps he has to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and at last 6. So up to reach here 6 steps are needed. Same way the answer number B also is here. We reach -2 when we move 4 steps to the right of -6. Exercise 6.1 is also there. We can solve in detail. You just check the questions. I want to show it here. Very good questions are there with pictures. My dear student, it is very easy questions. Now 6.3, addition on integers. See students, addition and subtraction we did in natural number and whole number. Same process will be coming over here with the ground floor, terrace and go down. Go downs will always come down under the ground. Okay, very good. So here some steps are given. You can move up or move down. Yes, my dear student, here are some number plus and minus. How to join it? There is simple rule. If both numbers are positive, we should have to add. If one number is positive, one number is negative, we have to subtract. Isn't it? Whenever we are doing subtraction, sign of the bigger number will come in answer. Whenever both the number are negative, we have to add up and give the minus sign. Simple. Yes, my dear student, here is -6 plus -2. That gives me a -2. -2 plus -6, that gives me a -8. Isn't it? Correct. Same way, some number games are there. You can play with dice, or you can say there are two dice. Two pasa, be pasa. One pasa having the simple 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wala, and second one plus, minus, multiply. 2 times plus, 2 times minus. Over 3 times plus, 3 times minus. Over, yes, very good. So whatever is coming, you have to add up both the dice. Yes, very good game is there. You can try it at home. Or sometime you can take the cheat paper, one cheat paper positive number, one cheat paper is a negative number. Or you can use the calendar to play these types of games. There are the number 1 to 30s are written. You can cut out and collect the colors, blue color and red color, positive, negative. Some buttons are there. Okay, some good games are there. You can make it positive red colors button and blue color negative numbers. Yes, good. See here, you can join it and find out the answers. You can get very immediately. The final answers are like this way. Yes, my dear students. So games will make you a more accurate idea about positive and negative numbers. Correct. Addition on integer on a number line. Very good. Same questions here. Jumping. See, add 3 to 5 on number line. Where we have to move, suppose first 3 plus 5, that means 0 to 3, first jump, second jump, then 5 jumps, that's a 3 to 5, that gives me a 8. Same way for negative number also possible, -3 minus 5, both number are negative. We can take the addition, that gives me a -8. So from 0 to -3 first jump, and -3 to 5 jumps as a minus. Left side gives me a -8. So figure number 6.4 in 6.5 is here. Very good, student. Same way, you can take it. Combinations. Yes, my dear students, sometimes negative and positive. So first 5 minus 3. How to do this one? First move on 5 and then after minus number means left side. Clear? When you add, you have to move on right side. When you subtract, you have to move on left side. Easy? Yes. Okay, student. Same way, some examples are given. You can find out. And solutions, I am moving this all the things one by one. Page number 15 तक पहुंच गए बेटा. Yes. What about the minus 3 and plus 3? 0. First jump on the plus 3, then come back to the 0, minus 3. Left side, you will be on the same place, 0. So we can say that is an additive inverse. Additive inverse for addition of integer is 0. Nothing will be changed. Same one. Using the number line, write the integer which is 4 more than minus 1. 5 less than 3. Answer 1A. We want to know the integer which is 4 more than minus 1. More than means plus. Minus 1 से 4 चाहिए पड़ा. तो क्या करेंगे बेटा? Plus 4 minus 1 will give you a 3. Yes. So we can see how to write it. First of all, minus 1 is there. Yes. And which direction we are moving now? Plus. Plus 4 is that. So 4 steps we can move on the right side, which gives me a 3. So 3 is the answer. Yes. Correct? Yes. Very nice. Second one. See. We want to know an integer which is 5 less than 3. You can stand on 3 and jump 5 steps on left side. Yes, one by one. Yes, you will reach on minus 2. Clear? Easy? Right. Example number 4. Very good question. Minus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3. So first of all, we have to remove the brackets and sign. There is a one magic is there. Plus into plus, answer plus. Plus into minus, answer minus. Minus into plus, answer give minus. And minus into minus gives the plus. This is the magic, Ande ka funda. You remember this one. Whenever two numbers are there, both are minus, that will be plus. Or any one sign is minus, then answer is minus. See. Okay? Good. So here, fourth one answer, you will get minus 8. Or you can say all minus number you can add up. And all positive number you can add up. And then after subtraction. But finished. Okay. Example 5 is also there. Some number are positive, some number are negative. Add up all the one. You will get the minus. Example number 6. Find the sum of this one. Sum means addition sign is there. But at last you have to find out the final answer is 151. Exercise 6.2 is also there. Very easy examples are there, colorfuls or edits are there, jumping here and there, adding without number line and with the number line. You just check out. There were 5 questions, very easy questions. Now, next topic is 6.4, subtraction of integer with the help of the number line. Is it is? It is very easy questions are here. Subtractions, last topic 6.4 is there only. This is the last topic, students. Subtraction is very easy, student. See, subtractions moving on left side. Yes. Number lines are shown. 6 plus minus 2. First of all, you have to stand on 6. Can you see here? I make it a large picture. You are standing on 6 and minus 2 means left side 2 steps. Good. 6.12 figure. Just we can find out very easily. Good. And plus 4 is there. Isn't it? And we can say 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 6 minus 2 is equal to not equal to 6 minus 2. 2 times minus not possible. That means a plus. So here you can find out 6 minus 2. I just said Ande ka funda. Minus into minus 2 times minus means plus. 6 plus 2, 8. It has to plus 8. Plus means right side. Minus means left side. Yes. Same way, one question is here. Move 4 steps to the right of the number line starting from -5. 5 से -5 से 4 step right side पे जाने के. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will reach on -1. Example number 7 is here. Find the value of -8 minus -10. Students, here be careful. This is our question. -8 minus -10. So first of all, we can write -8 as it is. Now minus 2 times. That means give me +10. Yes. From this question, you can find out very easily. One number is negative, one number is positive. What you will do? Yes, good. Subtraction. Who is the bigger number? 10 or 8? 10. 10 has a plus sign. 10 minus 8? 2. Bigger number is 10. Positive number? Answer is 2. So your answer is 2. Positive 2. And no need to write plus sign. But if it's a negative number, we should have to write negative sign. Clear? And with the number line also, you can show this one very easily. 10 step right side, you will reach on 2. Hence, to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. Subtract -4 from -10. So -10, -4, minus, positive. 2 times you can take anyone. Either this one, this. Yes. Additive inverse of 4. Subtract -4 from -10. -10 we have to write first, -4 afterwards. So what is the additive inverse? Additive inverse -4 is in +4. Additive inverse, new word. Clear? Plus then minus, minus then plus. -4 का एडिटिव क्या होगा बेटा? इनवर्स +4 and +4 का -4. So answer is -6. Now here last example, subtract +3 from -3. Student, here be careful. -3 minus +3. Got the answer? No. Okay. +3 का एडिटिव क्या होगा बेटा? Yes, -3. हो गया बेटा? Clear? Both number are negative. We can add up. Answer is -6. Exercise 6.3. Very easy questions are there. And our most favorite topic. What have we discussed? Student, this is the main thing. We should have to keep it in our mind. How to remember. See, all the lesson points are given here. We have seen that there are times when we need to use number with a negative sign. This is when we want to go below 0 on the number line. There are called a negative numbers. Some examples of that use can be in temperature scale, water level in lake or river, level of oil in tank, etc. They are also used to denote debit account of outstanding dues. This is a little hard word for commerce students. You are very small to understand. This is the last debit account, credit account. Okay, beta? No problem. But you are knowing this one. What is the negative number? The collection of numbers -4 dot. Students, what is the detail given? Read the numbers carefully. This is the numbers. Dot -4, comma -3, comma -2, comma -1. Comma 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, dot means continue. Are called the integers, so we can say there is a negative numbers, positive number and 0. We have also seen how one more than given number gives a successor and one less than gives number gives a predecessor. Successor means next number. Predecessor means before number. Okay? Clear? Very nice. Now next topic is we observe that A. When we have the same sign, add and put the same sign. Addition number, both numbers are positive, we have to add up. Both numbers are negative, we have to add up and put the negative sign. We are knowing there is no need to put the positive sign when answers in positive. But it is compulsory to put the negative sign when you found the final answer is negative. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer plus 3 plus 2. That gives me a plus 5. Can we write plus 5 or only 5? Yes, only 5, my dear student. Next to when two negative numbers are added up, we get a negative integer minus 2 plus sign minus 1. Both are minus. We add up minus 3, but compulsory minus 3 we have to write. Not only 3. Very good. B. When one positive and one negative integers are added, we subtract them as whole numbers by considering the numbers without their sign and then put the sign of the bigger number with the subtraction of 10. The bigger integer is decided by ignoring the sign of the integers. Yes, my dear student, here bigger numbers are avoided, ignoring. The bigger number is decided by ignoring the sign of the integers. Plus 3 minus 3, that's plus 1. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. Good. Third one, the subtraction of an integer is the same as the addition. It's additive integer. It is nothing only, addition only, but inverse, additive inverse. Isn't it? Last point, but not least, we have shown how addition and subtraction of integer can also be shown on a number line. You know how to read. I already said number of times. So number line is like this way. You have to draw it. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus equal distance 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. Suppose you are standing on 3. Your answer is here minus 3 plus 4. What you have to do, student? Minus 3 plus 4, that means you have to move 4 steps on right side. So jump from 3 minus 3 to 4 step. Minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. You will reach on 1. Easy? Yes, correct. Suppose there is a number line. Here is the number line and you were on minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. You were standing on 2 and there is a 2 minus 5 or 4. Suppose we can say 2 minus 4. How to show this one on number line, student? Minus number is there. You are standing on 2. First step I already taken. 0 to 2 we already reached. Yes, my dear student. Very good. We have to move more 4 steps. Which side? Left side. Yes, my dear student. Left side 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, you will reach on minus 2. So answer is your minus 2. Here is a minus 2. Clear? Your answer, we will get it here very easily. And well, okay, sometimes you have to both the number positive. Very simple one, student. See. Once again, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. You are on minus 2. Sorry, you are on 1.